Hello and greetings from Iceland. We are about to see my first official thermal drone video from this unique geothermal waterfall. And it is a waterfall that came into being while those road tunnels were made, or as a surprise midst in the mountain. And now, 5 years after the tunnels opened, some of the water is used for nature baths near Akureyri, but the rest ends up in the sea. And the temperature of the waterfall is somewhere over 30 degrees Celsius. And I felt as this waterfall could be a good experiment to see how sensitive the thermal camera is, or where the geothermal water is mixing together with the seawater. And this video is dedicated to all of you who pitched in to make this drone into a reality for the channel. And I hope you like what you're about to see, or an Icelandic waterfall like never presented before.
Yeah, baby, yeah!